If you look at A-Derma's Exomega Daily Balm and the Aveeno Dermexa Daily Cream, both of them are good products on their own. They both can reduce the redness and the itchiness and the irritation on our skin. And they're both good for eczema. But if I had to pick just one out of these two products, the A-Derma one or the Aveeno one, which one would I pick is what this video is all about. Both the products add hydration to our skin. They have an ingredient called glycerin which does that. Now the Aveeno one also has another ingredient called panthenol which also brings in more hydration to our skin. Adding hydration to our skin is one thing. Now the product also has to help retain that hydration so the hydration doesn't evaporate back into the atmosphere. Now the A-Derma has a bunch of emollient ingredients which can do that. Now these emollient ingredients, they form a thin layer on top of our skin and prevent the hydration in the skin from evaporating into the atmosphere. Aveeno on the other hand has dimethicol, which is an ingredient which also forms a thin layer and prevents the hydration loss. And it also has another very powerful ingredient called petrolatum. Now petrolatum, when it comes to skincare ingredients which can help the skin retain hydration, we can say that petrolatum is like the gold standard. So it's a very powerful ingredient in retaining the hydration. So Aveeno having petrolatum in it is a huge plus. Both the products have oats. Oats brings in a load of good benefits to our skin. Though both the products have oats, the kind of oats that they have used is different, and because of this difference, the benefits that they would bring to our skin is also different. Now oats, what they do is they strengthen the skin's barrier function. A strong skin barrier means skin stays hydrated. The barrier is strong enough to prevent the water loss from our skin, and it also is strong enough to protect the skin from attacks from environmental irritants. Now this means less irritation and less itchiness, less breakouts on our skin. So basically a strong skin barrier keeps our skin hydrated and also reduces the breakouts on our skin, reduces the irritation, itchiness and the redness in our skin. And another thing oats can do is actually it helps the good bacteria on our skin. Now the good bacteria on our skin is called microbiome. Now if the microbiome is strong and healthy, the skin's barrier function further strengthened. So that's more good news for the skin. Now Aveeno uses 3 different kinds of oats. It's got the oat kernel flour, oat kernel oil, oat kernel extract. Now A-Derma on the other hand uses 2 patented oat complex ingredients. One is Realba and the other one is a BioVet. These 2 ingredients, these 2 oat complexes, the patented ones, they are also supposed to reduce the redness and the itchiness and strengthen our skin's barrier function. Now before I hand out my conclusion, I do want to say that A-Derma also has another ingredient called niacinamide. Niacinamide also can reduce the redness and the inflammation on our skin, and it can also help the skin stay hydrated. So that's a good thing. Aveeno has another very powerful set of ingredients called ceramides. Now ceramides strengthens the skin barrier, and strong skin barrier, like I just mentioned multiple times, more hydration to the skin and less breakouts, less redness, less itchiness on the skin. And now to my conclusion. Now both of them have good ingredients. Aveeno does seem to have slightly more good ingredients, and though both of them use oat, I am more comfortable with oat that Aveeno uses only because I kind of understand them. Now the patented ones might be good, but I am not sure. So it might actually end up being much better than Aveeno, I don't know. But it is patented and I'm not sure, whereas what Aveeno uses seems to be straightforward, simple and effective. And again, when it comes to ingredients other than the oat ingredients in the 2 products, Aveeno definitely has an edge over what A-Derma offers. And another thing is this Aveeno Dermexa Daily Emollient Cream, in some countries it has a stamp of approval from the Eczema Association. Not all Aveeno products have it, but this one does. So that's a good thing. Eczema Association is saying that it's a good product for people who suffer from eczema. Now if it's a good product for them, it is an amazing product for the rest of us who don't suffer from eczema. People who suffer from eczema, what they need is products that can strengthen the skin's barrier function. Now if there is a stamp of approval from Eczema Association, means it's going to do a good job of strengthening that barrier function. Now that function is also hugely beneficial for people who don't suffer from eczema. That's again a huge plus for Aveeno. So based on all this, I would have to go with the Aveeno Dermexa Daily Emollient Cream. Yeah, I think it's totally good for the price, and I have used it for many years and I love it. I have used the other one as well, A-Derma one. That's also a good product, but this video is comparing both of them, and if I have to compare both of them, I would have to go with the Aveeno. That's about it. I really hope you liked my video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.